Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and for those that are subscribed and watching another one of my videos, thank you so much for your support. I have been going through the ad, and luckily this week I have it a lot earlier, but I noticed that there's not that many great deals like before. Don't know if that has to do with of course what we were going through, but still looking through the ad, I was able to find some deals, and you will see that 5 of those are freebies, and there are 12 top deals that I was able to put together. So I'm going to provide that on this video and a printable list. That way it will be a lot easier for you if you're able to do any of these haul. And just keep in mind that a lot of these coupons, sometimes they're digital, so you might be able to do these deals online if that is the best option for you. So this is the ad for CVS starting May 17, and you will see that yes, some of those deals that are freebies are including CRTs, but what I love that some of these deals that I'm sharing with you guys, remember that there is a beauty club that you earn $3 free ECB every time you spend 30 on beauty items, and a lot of these items do qualify for the beauty items. So most likely if you do some of these deals, you will get that free ECB. So this one is pretty rare and strange, but I was interested to share this deals with you guys because I did this deal, a similar one, almost a month or two ago. And this one says spend 30 get 10, and I did see in the ad this brand, when I did this deal, there was a cashback in checkout 51. That offer or cashback is no longer there, but even just with the deal alone and the coupon is $1.99 each. So go ahead and buy two. Keep in mind that the coupon will say one for the wrist and the other one is compression. So that's the reason why I'm selecting one of each, and select one for the wrist support, and the other one's going to be for compression. The cheapest one I found was $20.49. As you see, these are support that you don't need, and they might be expensive, so it's nice to have it in hand. And with these two, you have reached the $30, which is what you do need to spend in order to get that 10 ECB. So go ahead and use those two printables. This printables is from the website itself, and like I mentioned, it's going to have a limit per day of one each, so that's why I'm choosing these two different items. And if you have a CRT, I did get a CRT deducting 7 for this brand. I'm pretty sure I got that CRT because like I mentioned, I purchased this in the past. So if you use that CRT, pay $13.98, and after you get that $10 ECB, then your final price will be $3.98 for both, or $1.99. But it is such a great deal, from almost $4 comparing to the original price of almost $31. Is such a great deal. If you don't have that CRT, then it will be $5.49 each. I just wanted to show you guys that deal. Chic Disposable, we have been seeing some Chic razors deals lately, and this one is another great one that we are expecting on this May 17, and as you see, it's going to be on special for $5.99. And it does let us know that it's Chic Disposable, and it does exclude certain ones that you will see in the ad. So go ahead and buy 3 to get that 5 ECB, and it's letting us know we're going to be getting coupons that is going to be $3. But as you know, usually these coupons are a limit of 2, but that's okay. You could just go ahead and open the app for CVS, and there should be a coupon there that as you see, I send it to card, so that way I could use 2 that is coming on the smart stores on this Sunday the 17th, and then go ahead and use that digital. Check if you have any CRTs that has to do with Chic. I've been seeing CRTs that says 4 off 2. It does specify for skin timid, which you do see in the picture. In this case is for the Chic Extreme, and that CRT is for $4. That way it brings down the final price of total to pay at the register of $4.97. But remember, you're going to be getting back $5 at the end of that receipt, making them free. So this is the first freebie that I wanted to share. As you know, at the beginning of the video, they mentioned that there's going to be 5 freebies, and this is the first one. Go ahead and check if you have the 3 off 12 for shaving products. If you have like that, like I shared, the 4 off 2 skin timid, go ahead and look at your CVS app to see if you have any of those CRTs. If you don't have the CRT, then it will be $1.32 each. So let's go ahead and move on to Pantene. Pantene, as you see, is a very simple deal showing us here. It says when you spend 15, you're gonna get 5 ECB. So you do need to spend $15. So the best way for me to spend 15 was getting 3 of 3 Pantene for 12, and as you see, each will be $4.79. So let's go ahead and buy 4, and the final price will be $16.79. The only coupon we have is in the app, so this is a digital deal or online deal. You could just go ahead and use that coupon. Make sure it's selected in your card. It's going to deduct $4 off 3, and as you see, it expires on May 30th. This CRT I keep getting every week. It's deducting for all 14 for Pantene hair care, or maybe you have 4 off a similar one that it says Pantene and it says Head and Shoulders, which you could just mix and match. Go ahead and check out which of those CRTs you may have and stack those coupons. Pay $8.79, get back 5, and your final price will be $3.79 or 95 cents each. But remember, this one qualifies for that beauty club where you get those you spend 30 and get that 3 ECB free. Remember, on the bottom I like to share the amount that it will be if you don't have that CRT, so that way you'll have an idea if this deal is best for you. Pull-ups, this is Huggies, another great week that we're going to be seeing this deal. I think this is a deal to stock up on, and that you will see I'm not even showing you guys a CRT. So if you have a CRT, this will be almost free. So I am loving this deal. This is the second week in a row we see the similar deal. This is buy 2 for 20, and in this week it is actually including pull-ups, and as you see it mentioned in the ad. Use 2 printables. I was able to find these on that is deducting 2 off 1, so go ahead and use 2 of those. Pay 16. Like I mentioned, I'm not mentioning any CRT, so just pay 16. You're gonna get back 5 for spending 20, but go ahead and submit your receipt to Ibotta, which is right here. This is the app, and this is my referral code. Ibotta is a cashback offer or a cashback app that is going to reimburse you for certain items that are there, but you must select it. And the good thing about this app is that you could just go ahead and scan it in the store before you make your purchase. That way you know if it qualifies, so once you send your receipt, you know for sure you're gonna be getting that cash back. So if you're new, go ahead and sign up. Here's my referral. They usually will be giving out like $5 just for signing up, so that's an incentive there just for joining with this app. So once you submit your receipt, you should be getting back $3 per pull-ups, making it a final price of $5 or $2.50. Like I mentioned, if you have a CRT, then this will be almost free. Such a great deal, such a great time to stock up on. So here's my second freebie that I want to mention. Is it my second one? I don't know, I already lost count, but guys, you will see in the printable list that it is 5 freebies. So this is Nivea body lotion, and this is it if it is included. As you see here, it says selected Nivea body wash, lotion, cream, or oil. Buy 2 get 5. Go ahead and buy 2. Usually I see these in my store for $4.99. The price is $9.98. There is a coupon that we received this Sunday, May 10th. I did not go out. I did not really buy anything. I even forgot to get the coupon, so I need to see if I order them online, but check if you got these from Smart Source May 10. And there was a coupon there for Nivea, and it does apply to body wash, and there's one that applies to lotion. If you have this CRT deducting 2 of Nivea lotion or lip care, go ahead and stack that CRT. Pay $4.98, get back 5, making this item free. If you don't have that CRT, then it will be 99 cents. Okay, next deal. This one's going to be mix and match, and it's kind of like combining 2 different deals. As you see, in one page is going to be showing us, as here's the Nivea. In one page is going to be showing us the whole blends, and then another page is going to be showing us the L'Oreal. So in this case, buy 2 of the whole blends, 2 for $7. The L'Oreal is going to be 2 for $8. Right there you have the price is $15, halfway to reaching that $30 for beauty club. And then use the coupon that we're expecting this Sunday on the Retail Me Not on May 17th. This is for the whole blend. We don't have any coupons for L'Oreal. Hopefully we get some printables maybe this Sunday. Sometimes they surprise us. If we get a printable, then this will be free, but we just have to wait and see. In the meantime, go ahead and just use that coupon for the whole blend. See if you have a CRT for shampoo or conditioner deducting 3 of 12. It will be perfect for this deal. Maybe you have the 3 of 15. Go ahead and check it out to see which one you do have. Pay $8, get back. You're gonna get back 4 for L'Oreal. You're gonna get back 1 for the whole blend, making it a final price of 75 cents each. And here are the ECBs you're gonna be getting back. And if you don't have the CRT, then it'll be $1.50 each. Another great deal, this is L'Oreal. I usually don't mention the hair color because they get to be very pricey, but this one $1.50. And as you know, if you have selected this in your card for so many that you do purchase in the year, then you will get one free, and that will print in a form of a CRT, and you could just go ahead and submit it, and it could be a great money maker in the future. So this is a great time to start earning those rewards for hair color. So here, just buy 2 for $17, as you see in the ad, and it does tell you any L'Oreal Preference, Excellence, Cream, or Feria hair color. We're going to be expecting coupons this Sunday, deducting 5 of 2, and I did see this in my account that it was $5. My husband was able to print the CRTs. I'm still waiting to print other ones because it didn't print all of them. So if you're able to see it, go ahead and check it out in your app in case, or in your account. That way you have an idea which CRTs are there. And as you see, this is a high value one. So stacking up the coupons with that CRT, pay 7, get back 4. And your final price will be $1.50 each. Next deal is any Eucerin Aquaphor hand, body, lotion, or cream. Spend 20, get 10. And as you know, we did receive some coupons on this Sunday's paper on the Smart Stores May 10th. And if you haven't signed up to these, go ahead and sign up to this website. And once you sign up, if you share that information or that coupon, you could do it through a form of Facebook, I think it's Twitter, or email. I usually use email, it's much easier for me. And then right away, it bumps up the value of that coupon from $3 to $3.50. So go ahead and do that if you want to do this deal. And if you have the CRT deducting 3 of 10, this one I haven't printed yet, so I will send it to card once I'm ready to do the deal. And I will pay $10.38, but remember, you're going to be getting back 10 ECB for spending 20, making it a final price of 19 cents each. But keep in mind that these are the prices for the cream and the healing, but they do change and vary by store. So if these are the prices, then it will just be 19 cents each, which is just a crazy deal. This one should be almost in the free category. Here we have Rimmel Cosmetics, guys. There are right now only one coupon available for Rimmel. A few weeks back we had all 3 for face, for eye, and for lips. I believe it was the other one. Right now the only one they have available is for eye. If you want to do this deal or just want to purchase Rimmel for just eye, go ahead and print that coupon. It's going to be right below so you don't miss out, because that's the only one available. So go ahead and buy a foundation and a blush. Right there you have. So if you want to do different deals with the eyes and you want to use that coupon that's available to print, go ahead and print that below. I had to go ahead and change it because the amount was wrong, but the foundation and the blush will equal to $12.08. You do need to spend 12 to get that 6 ECB, and it's a limit of 1. I do love that this is part of that beauty club, and it's getting you there a lot quicker. Like I mentioned, many of these deals are going to help you get those free ECB if you do some of the ones shown on this video. And guys, if you're enjoying the upcoming deals, all these deals that I put together, and you're new to my channel or you haven't done so, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and do that right below, so that way you don't miss another one of my videos. So continue with the Rimmel deal. You're going to be using coupons from Smart Stores April 19. There's $2 there, but also just check out your binder if you have those printables that were available a few weeks back, and then pair that or stack that with a CRT for cosmetics, since you are reaching to and buying $12. So now your final price in the register is $5.08. I love this type of amount because I usually have $5 ECB, and it just all you pay is the 8 cents and tax. So then at the end of that receipt, you're going to be getting back those $6 in this case, making this item or this deal free and 92 cents moneymaker. If you don't have that CRT, then it will be $1.04 moneymaker. I mean $1.04 each. Be on the lookout, because usually when we see remote deals, at least last year, I don't know if you guys remember, when we will be seeing remote deals, we usually see remote CRTs, and we will only see them on Sunday once the deal starts. So let's keep our eyes out in case we see that happening on this ad. So the next deal is CoverGirl Cosmetics. I just wanted to include it in case you guys do have a CoverGirl CRT, or you want to use that same CRT cosmetics. Now you can see which one is best for you. Buy a brow pencil and a powder. This is a face item, which totals the amount is $8.69. Right there you reach $14.98. Use 2 coupons from Smart Stores May 10th, or you could just go ahead and select them if you have them in your CVS app, because you want to do this as a digital deal or online deal. Use that CRT, pay $5.98, but remember you're going to be getting back 6, making this a final price of free. But remember, you're already halfway to earn that free $3 ECB for the beauty club. If you don't have the CRT, then it will be $1.49 each. The other deal is Maybelline Cosmetics. You could buy the blush for $5.99 and the mascara for $6.99. Right there you reach $12.98. All you need to do is buy 2 get 5, and it is a limit of 3. They've continued to do that now for a few weeks. Use 2 coupons for Smart Stores May 3rd, and one will apply for mascara, the other one's going to apply for face or Fit Me products. And check your app. I did have still in my app a Maybelline mascara coupon deducting $1. It says app only, and you could just go ahead and use that CRT that we continue to see on all these cosmetics deal. Just if you have the CRT, see which one works best for you. Pay $4.98, get back 5, making this item free. If you don't have that CRT, then it will be $1.49. And once again, we are getting so close to that cosmetics reaching those $30. Another deal that I wanted to mention is Charmin Mega Roll. Really, I'm not excited to see this price as your final price, but this one is the mega one. There's 2 different ones. They're gonna have the Charming Ultra 8 Mega Roll or the Essentials 12 Mega Roll. And so this one brings 12. This one is the Essentials. And as you see, this one, the regular price tends to be $11.79. It's going to be on special, as you see here, for $9.99. You do need to buy 2 to get that 5 ECB. And the sad thing is that there's only 1 coupon, because the PNG coupon does, I believe, it expire already. And so you're only able to use 1 from the app. So once you use that coupon, pay $18.98, get back 5, making it $6.99 each. I really wanted to show it to you guys because we've been out of stock for these items for so long. Maybe you're holding on to a deal, maybe once you see it in your store. So if this is something that you do want to get, you want to stock up again, and you do find it in your store, or if it becomes available online, this is very easy to do online as well. But just know it's going to be $6.99 each, and I believe it's going to be less than 60 or 58 cents per roll, since you're getting 12 on each pack. So I just wanted to share that, you guys, because I know it has been hard to find those coupons, or I mean the Charming toilet paper. So guys, thank you for watching. I want to let you know that any printable coupons are going to be provided below. The shopping list as well is going to be taking you to my website. The website is running a lot smoother, but if it's not, just let me know in the comment section where you're going to be able to print your list. Cashback apps, like I mentioned, some of them they're gonna be, you're gonna use them for some of these deals. So if you're new, you could just go ahead and sign up to some of those cashback app, and anything else gonna be provided below. So thank you guys for watching this video, and until the next video, bye.